Hey everyone, welcome back. Guys, in this video you will see an automation which is going to help you in getting more clicks and more impressions on your blogs that you're posting on your blogger site. So with the help of this automation, you can connect your blog with WhatsApp in such a way that as and when you are going to post a blog, the blog's link will be shared to your friends and your family on WhatsApp automatically. Yes guys, let me show you how. So guys, this will be the flow of this automation. Here you just have to post the blog on your blogger site, and our automation is going to get the audience data from this spreadsheet application here, and then after that the link of your blog is going to be shortened by Bitly application, and the shorted link of your blog will be shared on WhatsApp to the audience automatically that you have in your Google Sheets application. Okay, and to make this happen guys, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, you can set up this automation very easily without any coding skills in just few simple steps. And let me show you how you can also set up this automation. So guys, to start with this automation, first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here, you have to use this link pabbly.com/connect. And from here guys, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this sign up free button. So we have pasted this link in the description as well. From here, you can set up your account and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and then you can log in to reach here on the dashboard. And guys, here you have to create a workflow. For that, just click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name here as send blog link, blogs link on WhatsApp. Okay, so after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page you will see the trigger and the action. So guys, automation work on these two things only. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to make this workflow know that it is time to run, and it will run the workflow. And the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in this use case, the trigger would be a new blog getting posted from your blogger website, and the action towards that trigger would be to share the link of that same blog on WhatsApp. Alright, so first of all, you need to set up this trigger. So from this choose app field, you have to choose blogger, Google Blogger. Okay, and here in the trigger event, you have to select this new post added, and then click on connect. And from this window, select add new connection, then click on connect with Google Blogger. Okay, right, so from this window you have to select the account by which you have created the blogger account. And after selecting the account, it will ask for few permissions, so you just have to click on continue to give access to Pabbly Connect. Okay, you can see the authorization is successful here, and we are connected with Google Blogger. Now it is asking to select the blog, and now from this blogs field you can select the name of your blog on which you are posting. So guys, I have two blogs on my blogger account, and here I'm using this one, the name of which is my blog simply. Okay, so here guys, you have to select this blog from this workflow. So guys, you have to select this my blog here in this workflow. Okay, like this. And here you can select the status of the blogs that you want to send on WhatsApp. So I want to send the link of only live blogs from my blogger account. So here I'm selecting only live. Okay, and now guys, when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch out the details or the data of the most recently posted blog from my blogger account. So I can show you, this is my blogger account, and here the last thing I've posted here is this one. You can see Russian President Putin says peace talk with Ukraine are at dead end. This was the blog I have posted on June 1. Okay, and it was published. It is a live blog guys. So let's click on save and send test request here and see how the data is going to look like here. So guys, here in this response you can see we got this type of data. We got the blog ID, the publishing date, okay, the URL, and when you click on this URL, let me show you, this is the URL of our blog actually. Okay, so this URL that we have received fetched us here, directed us here on this blog that I have posted. Okay, this was my blog, and here you can see we got the title of the blog here as well, the content here as well. Okay, right. So guys, now I want to share this blog with my network and with my contacts. So I have the contacts here present in my spreadsheet application in Google Sheets, like this. Okay, these are the names of my people, these are the email, and these are the WhatsApp numbers. So guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to fetch the details of this spreadsheet here in this workflow so that we can send the messages to those people. Okay, for that to happen, click on this actions tab, and from here connect Google Sheets. Okay, so choose here Google Sheets application. Then the action event would be get rows, so it will retrieve the data of the rows based on a specified range. Select it, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, and then click on connect with Google Sheets. And from this window you have to select the Google account by which you have created that sheet. Okay, alright, then you have to give some additional access to Pabbly Connect. Just click on continue, and you can see the authorization is successful and we are now connected. And here it is asking to select the spreadsheet's name. So this is my spreadsheet, the name is clients data. Okay, and I have selected it here, and here it is asking to select the sheet. So we have two sheets here, and one is sheet 1 and other is the record. So I have selected sheet 1 here. Sorry, here you can see sheet 1 is selected. Okay, and here it is asking for the range of data that you have in your spreadsheet. So guys, here I have this spreadsheet and I have the data of my friends or family here, let's say. So here I have to select the range and I have to specify this range here inside this workflow. So to get the range, you just have to start selecting the data starting from the second row and keep it selecting like this. Select the first row, then keep it selecting till the last row that you have, like this. So when you are done selecting the data, whole of the data that you have, you will see in this name box we have got the code saying A2:C19. This means that we have the data starting from column A, row 2 up to column C, row number 19. Okay, this is what it means. So this is the range that we have. So you can just copy this code from here and paste it here in this range section in this workflow like this. Okay, so this is how you can put the range. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to collect the data from my spreadsheet. For that you can click on save and send test request, but before this remember to toggle this simple response button to off, and when you off this simple response button, we are going to get the data in array format, and after that we are going to arrange the array data that we have in row by row form with the help of iterator. Why we are going to do that? Because we want to send the links one by one to every person that I have in my spreadsheet. For that we are going to arrange the data one by one, row by row here in our workflow. Okay, so first of all toggle this response button to off, then click on save and send test request, and here you can see in this response result label we got the data here like this. This is called the array format. Okay, now I'm going to convert this array and arrange the data in row by row format. For that just click here on this plus icon and select iterator option from here. This is iterator, select it, and here it is asking to choose the array. So I'm going to choose this one, response result array. Okay, so just click here and it will show you the previous steps and this response result array. So just select it from here only, and then click on save and send test request, and you can see the data is arranged here now like this. So it started showing the data of first row like this. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. This is how it is going to make this workflow run one by one for each row. Okay, now I want to send the link of my blog to this person on this WhatsApp number. But before this, what we are going to do, we are going to use Bitly application to shorten the URL of our blog. So we have received the blog here, and you can see here the URL is here, and this URL is quite long, you can see. So with the help of Bitly application, we can shorten such kind of URLs and make them look presentable. to send it on WhatsApp. Okay, for that I'm just scrolling down, and here I'm going to click on this plus icon, and from here I'm going to search for bit.ly application. Bit.ly, this is it. Okay, select it, and in the action event select shorten link option, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with bit.ly. Alright, as you can see I have already logged in my bit.ly account. Here it is. So when you are already logged in, and when you try to connect here, it will bring you to this page. Otherwise it will bring you to the login window. Then after that you have to log in, and then you will find this page. From here you just have to click on allow, and you will be connected with bit.ly. Okay, like this. Here it is asking for the group, so the group's name is automatically selected. This is the name. Here it is asking the long URL. So we got the long URL in the first tab. So when you click here, it will show the previous tabs, guys. And from this first tab, you will find this long URL. Select it. Click on save and send test request. And here you got the short URL. Okay, this is the link. Right now we are going to send this short URL, guys. And to send that short URL on WhatsApp, click here on the plus icon, and from this actions tab search for WhatsApp's cloud API. This is it. So guys, Facebook has recently launched its own platform for setting up the cloud API and getting the official access of WhatsApp's API, so that you can send messages directly and automatically on WhatsApp to people using the API or the application programming interface of WhatsApp, right? So guys, first of all you need to set up your cloud API, and for that you can check the links that we have pasted in the description, where we have thoroughly explained how you can set up your cloud API. And once you set up that, you can use that feature here inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, and the action event would be send template message. Then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection if you're making this connection with the cloud API for the very first time. Alright, and you can change the name of that connection also. So you can put the name here as anything you want. This is not a compulsory thing. I'm just showing you this because guys, here the connection that you are going to make is going to be saved in your account. Alright, so here you can see it is asking for the permanent access token of your cloud API, the phone number ID, and the business account ID. So if you want to know more about these things and how to find these things, you can just click here on this here word written in blue, and you will reach the forum page of Pabbly, forum.pabbly.com. and here on this page, first of all you will find these two videos. First is for setting up the cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. Second one is for generating the permanent access token, and then you will find the steps along with the screenshots about the cloud API setup and how you can connect it inside Pabbly Connect in trigger or in action. And you will find many things here related to that, and you can check this page. Okay, for these three things, guys, I can show you my cloud API setup. You can see I am under Meta for Developers section. Here I have set up my cloud API. So I'm clicking on this getting started page of WhatsApp, and you will reach here. Alright, and here you will find the temporary access token. So guys, temporary tokens expires in 24 hours, so you need to create a permanent one. And if you want to know that, you can check the videos from the description or from this forum page. And here you will find the video on how to generate the permanent token. And after getting your permanent token generated, you have to keep it safe, because we are going to use the same token to make the connection afterwards also in Pabbly Connect. Okay, and now phone number ID and the business account ID. So you will find these two things here in the cloud API setup. In this send and receive message section, you will find this phone number ID. You can just copy it from here and paste it here. Alright, similarly, this is the WhatsApp account ID. Copy it and paste it here. And after pasting all these things, you just have to click on save, and you will be connected with your cloud API setup. And making the connection by this process, by selecting add new connection, is also a one-time process. Once you made the connection is going to be saved here. And after that, if you want to make the connection again, you can use that existing connection option that you have already got saved. So I can show you that. I have already made a connection before in a different workflow with my Cloud API setup. So now I can use this existing connection option, and you can see we have this select connections option, and when I click here, it will show you all the previously saved connection, guys. And from here you can select any one. So I am selecting this one, guys, WhatsApp Cloud API final one. Okay. And now I just have to click on save, and I'll be connected again with Cloud API. Okay. Right, and here it is asking for the template's name. So you have to select the message template that you are using to send those messages. Let me show you in my Cloud API setup. Here you can see it is written to create your own message template. Click here, and when you click on this here word, you will reach this page, guys. Here are the message templates I have created. So guys, message templates, let me show you the one I am using for this purpose. So the message templates are nothing but the predefined standard message structures that we can use to send messages to multiple people on WhatsApp at once. Alright, you can see the preview. Here it is saying, hello Roger Binney, a new post is just published on your Blogger account. Don't wait to share your love. Okay, and this is the link of the blog. You can create similar templates here. And in those templates, you have to place some variable tags or the body fields also, as I have added here. You can see this 1, 2, and 3. So these are the body fields or the variables which are going to change with every new message, like the name of the person, the link of the blog, or the blog's name. Okay. So these are the things that can change. So you have to place the tags here. Let me show you how you can create a template, guys. Just click here on this create message template button, and here you will find these three categories: the transactional category, the marketing, or OTPs. So you have to select the relevant category in which you are for which you are creating the message template. All right, so let's say I am selecting marketing. Here you can give a name to this template. Here you can select the language. All right, and from here click on continue. And you can see on this page here it is asking for the header. So guys, in your message template you can have a header, and in this header you can add a text, or you can add media, and in media you can add an image, a video, or a document. Okay, so whatever you select here, you have to add a sample also of the same thing. Okay, by clicking on this add sample button, add a sample here. Okay, here in the body field you have to type the main message that you want to send. So you can just type the messages like this, and if you want to put the body fields or the variables here, just click on this add variable button, and this is how a tag will be added inside your message. So you have to put these tags in proper places. Okay, then you can add a footer and the button also in the same message. After that you just have to click on submit and submit your message template. Right now I'm canceling this, and then Facebook is going to review that template and approve it. So it will just take a few minutes, and after getting your template approved, you can use the same template to send messages via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here in your workflow you have to select the template. So my template is then this one, blogger_update. Okay, I'm selecting this, and now you can see the language code and the template ID is automatically populated. No need to do anything. And here it is asking for the recipient's mobile number or the WhatsApp number of the person to whom you want to send the message. For that you just have to click here, and from this iterator step, guys, we have arranged the data in row by row format with the help of iterator. So from this iterator only I am going to map the mobile number label or WhatsApp number here like this. Now it is asking for the body fields 1, 2, and 3. So I have already shown you guys that in my message template we got 3 body fields, 1, 2, and 3. So to get these body fields changed automatically, dynamically with every new message, you need to map the values of those body fields here in your workflow, and after that these things are going to change. So I'm going to map the name first in the first body field. So just click here, and from this iterator step only map the name. In the second body field I'm going to map the link of the blog, which you will find from this bit.ly shorten link step. So map the short link like this. In the body field 3 you can enter the name of your blog only. Okay, or you can enter the website address or anything else that you have that you want to share with this message. So after filling all these things, you can click on save and send test request, and a test message will be delivered to this WhatsApp number, guys. Okay, so guys, this is the message. You can see it is saying, hello Adam Smith, the new post is just published on our blogger account. Don't wait to show our love. Please provide you valuable feedback also. And this is the link of the blog, the shortened link you can see. And you can see in place of the name tag, we got the name placed here, the link placed here, and you can see the blog's name is also placed here automatically, dynamically in this message. So this is how it is going to work. Let me click on this link also. And you can see when I clicked on this link, it bring me here on the same blog that I have posted, and I have mapped the link here like this. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, as and when you are going to post any blog inside your blogger account, the same blog's link will be shared with all your clients that you have here in your spreadsheet automatically on their WhatsApps like this. And the good part is you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.